Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, my name is Putri Hilda Vanessa.
My name is Nadia Nora Firdausi.
And my name is Aprilia Syafnantias. Today we are going to review a journal article about discourse and grammar. Okay, we are review a journal by the title Ellipsis and Substitution in Ridwan Kamil Conversation on Interview His Excellency Ridwan Kamil on Urban Mobility Project. Journal name Project Professional Journal of English Education, Volume and Page, Volume 3 number 5, page 597 up to 601. Year 2020. Writer Ismi Nurazizah and Iman Santoso. Reviewer Aprilia Syafna, Lalia Firdausi, and Putri Hilda. Review date for June 2024. A journal article consists of abstract, introduction, method, result, and discussion, and the last is conclusion. The first is abstract. Discuss the analysis of ellipsis and substitution in Ridwan Kamil's conversation on the Urban Mobility Project. The research identifies 3 types of substitution. There are nominal, verbal, and clausal, and 2 types of ellipsis, nominal and clausal, present in the conversation. The study highlights the importance of cohesion in communication and emphasizes the role of language as a tool for conveying message. The findings contribute to a better understanding of how ellipsis and substitution are utilized in discourse.
Introduction emphasizes the significance of communication as a means to convey message, with language serving and as a vital tool in this process. It distinguishes between oral and written language, noting their respective roles in direct and indirect communication. The concept of cohesion is introduced with reference to how sentences are connected through linguistic and semantic markers. The research focused specifically on ellipsis and substitution within the framework of grammatical cohesion. Ellipsis is defined as the deletion of linguistic units from a text, while substitution involves replacing elements within a sentence. The introduction sets the stake for the analysis of ellipsis and substitution in Ridwan Kamil's conversation, highlighting their importance in understanding the coherence of discourse.
The methodology section of journal article outlines the research approach used to analyze ellipsis and substitution in Ridwan Kamil's conversation. The study employs both quantitative and qualitative methods to examine the linguistic features present in the dialogue. Data collection involves downloading the conversation from the internet, transcribing the dialogues into text format, and identifying sentences that include ellipsis and substitution. Quantitative analysis is utilized to determine the frequency of these linguistic phenomena, while qualitative analysis is conducted to delve deeper into the identified sentence. The methodology aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of how ellipsis and substitution are utilized in Ridwan Kamil's conversation, highlighting the importance of grammatical in discourse analysis.
Okay, for results and discussion, the result and discussion section of the journal article present the finding of the analysis on ellipsis and substitution in Ridwan Kamil's conversation. The data collected from the conversation highlight the types of ellipsis and substitution used by Ridwan Kamil during the interview. The results are presented in a tabular format, showcasing the distribution of different types of ellipsis and substitution in the conversation. Okay, this is a data ellipsis and substitution percentage Ridwan Kamil use. The grammatical cohesion, there are ellipsis, substitution, and substitution. For ellipsis, there are nominal ellipsis 1, utterance, verbal ellipsis 0, and causal ellipsis is 1 utterance. And for substitutions, there are nominal substitutions 2 utterance, verbal substitution 1 utterance, and causal substitution 2 utterance. For the total is 7 utterance.
The discussion delves into the interpretation of the results, providing insight into how ellipsis and substitution contribute to the coherence and cohesion of the conversation. The analysis of specific examples from the dialogue illustrates the application of nominal ellipsis, causal ellipsis, nominal substitution, and verbal substitution. The discussion emphasizes the role of the linguistic devices in conveying meaning effectively and maintaining the flow of communication. Overall, the result and discussion section offer a detailed examination of the use of ellipsis and substitution in Ridwan Kamil's conversation, shedding light on the linguistic strategies employed by the speaker to enhance the clarity and coherence of the discourse.
The conclusion of the journal article on ellipsis and substitution in Ridwan Kamil's conversation highlight the significance of this linguistic device in enhancing the coherence and effectiveness of communication. The analysis of ellipsis and substitution in the dialogue provide valuable insight into how these mechanisms are utilized to convey meaning concisely and maintain the flow of conversation. The study underscores the importance of grammatical cohesion, particularly through the use of ellipsis and substitution in the facilitating clear and coherent communication. By examining Ridwan Kamil's conversation, the research demonstrate how these linguistic features contribute to the overall structure and understanding of the discourse. In conclusion, the analysis of ellipsis and substitution in Ridwan Kamil's conversation serves to deepen our understanding of the role of this device in linguistic communication, emphasizing their relevance in conveying message efficiently and effectively. The study contributes to the broader field of discourse analysis by highlighting the nuance of grammatical cohesion in spoken language.